Montana fifth wheel, 20th anniversary edition. Look at the huge storage underneath. It is a model number 3791RD for residential refrigerator. It's 40 feet 4 inches. Sits up high, nice high solid steps. Got the 6-point leveling system.
This one won't work for us.
We got the pivot door on the bathroom. One-piece porcelain, one-piece countertop sink in the bathroom. Nice size countertop. No medicine cabinet. You got your shower and your toilets. Bedroom. Got some small drawers.
And it's got a hamper built in here, which is kind of handy.
Yeah.
It's got 2 shelves. It's motion sensor.
Motion sensor lights. There we go. At least I don't have to use my cell phone to light it up. Got shelves
This one
underneath.
here where you can put washer,
This
dryer.
kind of makes sense. I mean, how many times are you going to have a dress
Yeah.
in here? So you got room.
Washer, dryer,
Washer dryer hookup or storage. Got your little shelves beside the bed.
But I don't think I see that. But there's no outlets there either.
No.
I really don't care for these pivot doors.
Paper wrap. Does have this barn door stuff again.
Yeah.
That must be a new thing they're doing. Track.
Inside of that.
Oh yeah.
For my appearance.
Dinette area. We got a raised living room for extra storage underneath. Got a sofa on both sides of the living area. Is this what the getaway couple has?
They have solitude.
They have a solitude, but similar floor plan. This has theater seats, 2 sofas, fireplace, large TV with a big back window when the TV's down.
It's a.
Yeah, this floor plan's not anything spectacular. We do have the kitchen island, an oven, stove, microwave.
There's a pantry.
Where's their show price brochure?
Oh, over here.
Okay. They do have a residential refrigerator, large area pantry. So, and our show price for 2019 Cleveland RV show. Plenty of kitchen, kind of plenty of kitchen cabinets.